Use headphones for better experience. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Karunasri, BHMS MD Homeo. Welcome to Karuna's Health Channel. Today we will discuss about most common health problems during monsoon or rainy season. Monsoon is pleasing. It cools everything down. It has the power to add beauty to nature, leaving freshness in the air, making grass look greener, giving plants a fresh look. Everything around is bright and beautiful. But on the other side, during the monsoon, people suffer a lot from many health issues. So, stay healthy during monsoon. The most common diseases during monsoon are transmitted through four major mediums. Those are mosquitoes, water, air, and contaminated food. So, here are some do's and don'ts for monsoon. Do's: stay clean at all times. Binge on fresh fruits and soup. Drink clean water. Wash your hands frequently. Keep your rain gear ready. And don'ts: avoid uncooked and oily food. Stay protected from mosquitoes. Avoid getting wet in rain and avoid wearing wet clothes. Wear clean clothes. Avoid outside foods. Keep your house clean. Take protection against morning smog and cold climate. The common monsoon diseases are fevers like dengue, typhoid, malaria, viral fevers, cholera, cold, hepatitis, leptospirosis, diarrhea. Symptoms of monsoon related illnesses are malaria, fever with chills and sweating, muscle pains, headache, vomiting. Dengue fever symptoms include fever, headache, pain behind the eyes, muscle and joint pains, nausea, vomiting, rash, and fatigue. Leptospirosis: fever, severe headache, muscle pain, chills, redness of the eyes, abdominal pain, jaundice, hemorrhages in the skin, and mucous membranes. Typhoid: fever with headache, nausea, loss of appetite, constipation or sometimes diarrhea, weakness. Gastroenteritis: fever, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and weakness. Hepatitis: fever with loss of appetite, diarrhea, nausea, abdominal discomfort, dark colored urine, and mainly jaundice. Influenza: fever, cough, muscle and joint pains, severe malaise, sore throat, and runny nose. COVID: fever, headache, loss of smell and taste, conjunctivitis, sore throat, diarrhea, shortness of breath. Specific preventive measures for monsoon related diseases include: for cholera and typhoid, preventive measures include providing clean drinking water, better sanitation, and better hand washing. For dengue, people should also wear full sleeve clothing when out in the day. It is important to remember that the dengue mosquito usually bites only in the daytime and breeds in the clean fresh water. So any water accumulation should be avoided. For influenza, it's best to have a healthy, balanced and nutritious diet which increases our body's resistance. And for viral fevers, one must ensure that they do not get wet in the rain or stay in wet clothes for a long period. Wash their hands frequently. Boost their immunity by eating vitamin C rich foods and green leafy vegetables. They must also keep a distance from an infected person. Here we will discuss about the dengue in detail. It is a mosquito-borne viral infection and is spread to people through the bite of an infected Aedes species mosquito. Here are some important points about Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Female mosquitoes are responsible for disease transmission. They bite during daytime only, and they are well accustomed to human settlements. The mosquito sucks blood every 3 or 4 days or sometimes more frequently, and it needs blood to reproduce. The mosquito reproduces in clean standing water. The eggs can survive for up to an year even in the absence of water also. So this is such a dangerous mosquito. Please take care. So the symptoms of dengue fever, as we already discussed, are high fever, headache, muscle and joint pain, skin rash, unusual weakness, vomiting and diarrhea, decrease in platelet count and bleeding. These are the main disgusting symptoms. Other preventive measures include use mosquito sprays in the surroundings and at the home, remove standing water, keep environment clean and neat, and use mosquito nets. Homeopathic medicines for monsoon related health issues include for fevers, Eupatorium puff, Rustox, Arsenicum album, Pyrogenum, Belladonna, Gelsemium. For flus, Arsenicum album, Bacillinum, Influenza. For gastric disturbances and diarrhea, Nux vomica, Natrum fos, Arsenicum album, Epicock. Muscle and joint pains, Rustox, Bryonia, Phytolacca. Medicines should be taken under the supervision of a homeopath only. Thank you so much for listening. Please share, subscribe, and follow. Like our videos.